Hello, Ranger Woodworkers. It is May 20 on Wednesday. Just spent the entire day out handing stuff back to seniors. I got out there about 10 and just been handing out cap and gowns, collecting books, handing back projects. And so it's been a long day here at school. I was hoping to get some stuff out here for you guys, but I'm going to give you guys a bye for the day. So just finish up last week's stuff. I do think that I overwrote the form from last Wednesday with Monday's form. And so some of you had a little bit of trouble submitting the last Wednesday's form, which would be like day 9, day 8, and day 9. So anyway, just work on the last one if you didn't do that yet. Get that in by the end of the week. And we'll have some new material for you guys on, actually next Monday will be Memorial Day. It'll actually be next Wednesday. So another week from now, I'll see you guys then. Anyway, in the meantime, keep on keeping on, and we will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.